Hello everyone, and welcome to my endless learning. Today, I will demonstrate how to back up your Adobe Premiere Pro 2023 work files. This is a crucial process, particularly if you intend to transfer files from one system to another, or if you need to archive your work files. To begin, open Adobe Premiere Pro 2023. This is my final sequence. I've completed the work, and now I need to back up this project, including all the videos, music, and files I've used to edit this video. Now, I will demonstrate how to automatically back up all the used video files. Go to Files Project Manager. In the Project Manager tab, you will see a list of all the sequences in your project. Select the final sequence you want to back up. Choose Collect Files and Copy to New Location, then select the destination path. Click OK. Now, let's take a look at the results. Adobe Premiere Pro automatically backs up and copies all the files for you. Now, you can copy the folder, which will include all the files in one place. I hope this video proves helpful to you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.